So that's 10 payouts in less than a month's time. And that was done in 3 days. Right here, as you can see, max payouts across the board. I have an absolute hate for them. I was in one group chat many moons ago. I absolutely hated it because in the world of the internet, everything's a scam. And I get it. Many of the people that have written books from 50 years ago are dead. You can't get the knowledge in here. I paid $100 per account and extracted thousands from it. All right, everybody, here's another video on a payout on how I got multiple payouts in just 1 month. Over 10, and I'm going to do it in front of your face, as you can see, across the board. Again, I'm copy trading accounts here. This is just the Lucid account, but Tradeify is the best. I'm just letting you know. And as you can see, and you know what the best thing about me showing you? And let's do it together as I do the payout, right? Let's do it together. Right here, as you can see, max payouts across the board. One interesting thing, as I do it with you, is that, yes, I promote Tradeify, just hit sell, the whole 9 yards. I have no affiliation, as of now, with Lucid. None. So no one can ever say, oh, he works for Tradeify. I don't work for Tradeify. Does Tradeify pay me? So there you go. Let's keep this going. No one can ever say, oh, you know, it's all a scam, because in the world of the internet, everything's a scam. And I get it. I see what is out there. I see exactly all the little children pushing their Discord and their bullshit courses. I get it. So you're like, what the hell? As of now, I have no code for these guys. I have nothing, zero affiliation with them. This is pure trading at its best. With Tradeify, you would be like, oh, you know, he supports them. He has a code for them. So it must be cool. Then how about explain this then? There's no just hit sell code for this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And there's the rest of July right there. So that's 10 payouts in less than a month's time. And that was done in 3 days. 10K. What more do you need to understand? I know many of you like, Professor, I can't afford your classes, your internet. There's a free course. It's in the description. Day Trade Professor, the QR code on the screen. Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode or lesson, but I just want to let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just want to start it off? Day Trade Professor, click down below, go in the description and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go. This book, I wrote this bloody thing. Shows you the way. This book. Right here. I have a third one, but my student Mick took it. I let him have it. He was doing well. But once you understand candles, levels, multiple time frames, there's a deeper meaning to it. Let's see if the money's hit the accounts. Let's hit refresh. Let's hit refresh. I'm still in Zanzibar, as you can see. Well, I don't know how long this will take. So we'll come back to that so you could see that it went through. But you need to understand that it's just candles, levels, multiple time frame. You overcomplicate it because you're not serious enough. You know it's the truth. You're not serious enough because you don't want it bad enough. And you know that's true because if you think about it, you wouldn't pay someone a monthly subscription in their bullshit Discord learning from children. You don't want accountability. When it comes to signal chats, there's zero accountability because you throw it onto the Discord mod. I think that's what it's called. Admin, moderator. I don't know what they're called. Because majority of the social media of trading is the Discord. I have an absolute hate for them. I was in one group chat many moons ago. I absolutely hated it. Went in as a trader, was forced into it, became an admin, moderator, whatever you want to call it, top trader, leading the whole thing. And it was one of the worst experiences of my life. And I would never wish that upon an enemy of mine. That's just the truth of the matter. I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go. All right, guys. So here it is. It's been processed. The money's in the account. And there's the $10,000 right there. Nothing done here was complicated at all. Candles, levels, multiple time frames. I've shown you countless payout videos. I know you don't care about those. I know you just want to see live trading so you can copy the trade and take signals. I get it. But why can't you understand that becoming independent, this guy right here wrote this book and this book. I'm still alive. Praise God. Many of the people that have written books from 50 years ago are dead. You can't get the knowledge in here. That's me. That looks a little like me. But I hope you understand, because this is what was done. I paid $100 per account and extracted thousands from it. Tens of thousands, as you can see. Tradeify is the best prop firm out there. Use it, make some money, and I hope to see you in class. May peace be upon you all. Let's go.